Hey guys, it's Angel. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my Tesla Model 3. Baby Dragon and I have a really fun video for you guys. We are back in the car and I've got this really cool Tesla accessory. It's a keyring accessory that I got. I've had it for about a week now and I really like using it. It's a good alternative to the Tesla wallet key card, a good alternative to the key fob, and a really good backup for your phone if you don't have one already. So if you guys are interested in checking out this new accessory, keep watching. All right, so let's talk about the product. This is the COLMO Smart Key Ring accessory for your Tesla Model 3. And according to the seller's listing, this ring has an actual RFID chip from an actual Tesla key card. So they've placed that in this ring itself, which means this ring will operate just like the key card. The product itself is made out of ceramic, so when I got it, I thought, wow, this is a really lightweight ring. It's lightweight and it's also scratch proof. So I've had this for about a week now. I've basically been wearing this like a necklace and it looks perfectly like brand new. But you can also just wear it as a ring as well. I got this off of Amazon. It was $130. If you're interested in learning more about this product, I will post a link in the video description. Again, this is the COLMO Smart Key Ring accessory for your Tesla Model 3. All right, let's go ahead and pair and set this up. So what we're gonna do is you take the ring out, you go onto the controls, hit add key, and so now it says add a key fob or key card, and this is where you take your ring, scan it right behind the cup holder, like that. Once you've scanned that, it says tap existing key card to approve pairing. So then you go ahead and tap your existing key card. Now, see, it's added. And you'll get a notification on your phone or your Apple Watch that says a key card has been added to your vehicle. Now, I'm going to show you how I like to wear it. So obviously you can, of course, wear it as a ring. I'm a size 6 and that's how it fits me. And I actually prefer to wear this as a necklace. It actually does not come with the necklace chain, but you can use pretty much whichever necklace chain you want. And that is what it looks like. Now let's go outside and use this. So to use your key ring, all you have to do is just swipe it against the pillar to lock or unlock. Now here's where you can run into problems. I highly recommend you take the ring off your finger, or if you're using it on your necklace, to take it off and just put it right against that glass pillar. And the reason why is if you don't lay it flat against that pillar sensor, it's not going to work. So you will need to take it off your finger for best contact. And it works the same way as your key card. So once for locking, then swipe once again for unlocking. Now let's talk about use cases. I highly recommend that even though you use your phone as your card key, you carry a backup. I usually carry this as a backup. This, it's upside down. I usually carry this as a backup, and of course if you're going to put it in your purse, you have to put it in some sort of case. So I keep it in like a little wallet case like this. But there are times when I need to use this, not often though. And those cases are like when my phone runs out of battery, or on the off chance, on the very rare occasion, like 1% chance that my Bluetooth is finicky that day, the car either won't open right away or it requires me to swipe my card key for entry. Again, that happens very rarely, but if it does happen and you don't have your card key with you, you are SOL. So better safe than sorry. Another use case for this ring, for me at least, is I like to work out. So I will drive to like the park and then go for a run, in which case I do not want to carry my phone. My iPhone's pretty heavy. Leaving my phone in the car, of course turning it off before I leave, and then using this for locking and unlocking my car. Now I really like that because A, I'm not carrying my heavy phone while I'm out for a run, B, I can still securely get in and out of my car, and it's even better than carrying this around because even though this is lightweight, it's much easier to have the key ring around my neck. I can put it under my shirt, or if I really wanted, I could just wear it as a ring as well. So overall, I would say this COLMO Smart Key Ring accessory for the Tesla Model 3 is a really good alternative if you're looking for an alternative to your key card or the Tesla key fob, which they sell on the Tesla website for $150. The price point is a little bit less, but still within the ballpark, but you just get a different form factor. Anyways, if you guys are Tesla owners, I want to know what you guys think of the Smart Key Ring accessory. Are you interested in getting it? Do you think it's a good alternative to the key fob? What are your thoughts? Post in the comments and let me know. I'm Angel. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to follow me on Instagram or Twitter, I'm at WithLoveAngel21. Until then, I love you guys. Take care, stay safe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.